Wow! Good evening to all beautiful people of San Nicolas. To our dynamic and energetic local chief executive, Honorable Mayor Leoncio S. Saldivar.mp4, to our equally hardworking members of the Sangguniang Bayan, kadagiti nalalaing, natataraki, and very supportive members of the Association of Barangay Captains, headed by our very able and dynamic ADC President, Honorable Leoncio V. Saldivar Jr., Papa. Our youth development-oriented and very active Sangguniang Kabataan Chairmen and Women, spearheaded by our very active Sangguniang Kabataan Chairman, Federation Chairman, Honorable Cristel M. Martinez. Department heads and employees of the local government unit. To our very able and distinguished members of the Board of Judges, headed by, of course, Attorney Julio Cesar Jojo Peralta. To our loving and returning balikbayans. To the proud parents and relatives of all 64, if I'm not mistaken, lovely and gorgeous candidates. To all our gracious and generous sponsors, members of the committee for the search for Mr. and Miss Dur-as Nicolas 2012, spearheaded by the very active kan nalaing apo na chairman tayo, Mr. Bernardo Fabro Jr. Kadagiti bisitas tayo, iti puso iti San Nicolas apo, kada kayo ngay ayatan mi kan pakpak ganyan nga kakailian. Visitors, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant evening to each and everyone. I am very overwhelmed nga agsaoy ti samwanay ni Tatang, considering nga makita di tatta po ti auditorium tayo na punpunno iti tattao. A manifestation that San Nicolas has once again indeed nagmaymaysa ket nagpintas gayam ti kaipapanan na. How time passed swiftly. I uttered this because 7 years ago, when we first staged the first ever search for Mr. and Miss Dur-as, ito init nga San Nicolas, way back 2006. And now, at data iti may kapitong atawan, during the first year that we held iti daytoy nga activity tayo makabsat, the response was so overwhelming as manifested apo iti nagad-adong attendance. And right now, we are on our 7th year still. The support, acceptance, iti taga San Nicolas, saan nga nagbalbaliw, adattoy kayo lagta apo nga sumupsuporta, and we thank you for that. Thank you very much, our dear San Nicolanians. Kanayon nga ipagpaga ni Mayor Jangget, kaptong-tong kami. Awan kano, iti kasamitan nga may regalo. We no ma-accept na nga regalo coming from his beloved town, no makita na iti suporta kag panagmaymay sayo. And so, your beloved Mayor, saan ang pumagwasat, iti napintas na idea na tapno maikan kayo apo, iti nasayaat, nga kaipapanan na iti tayo, kan makaipresent iti napintas kan barong idea, tapno maragsakan tayo ang amin. And so tonight, ladies and gentlemen, the search for Mr. and Miss Dur-as apo, kat nagaramit history way back 2007. and it is almost a tradition. Dur-as, the search for Mr. and Miss Dur-as sa Nicolas has been the crowd favorite. No kasangay sa celebrate tayo the annual town fiesta dito ilitay sa Nicolas. And so let me take this opportunity to kabsat nga pasalamatan all those beautiful people behind the success of this occasion. First of all, to our Almighty God for adding more years to our lives, for giving us everything that we need, all the resources, tapno kasta, itidaytoy nga celebration tayo katagbalaygi. To our Honorable Mayor, for his brilliant idea for conceptualizing this search for Mr. and Miss Dur-as, for his inevitable support, awan kisaan kanya na basta kaya apo, iti opisina na. Thank you so much, Apo Mayor. To all our sponsors, of course, alat ka Apo, the 33 punong barangays who have sacrificed so much, not only emotionally, not only morally, but sometimes financially kanayan dakpon bunot. Tapno kasama sustinir na biti kandidato da. Apo Kakapitan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. All your sacrifices will never be put into oblivion. Nakamula apo ti puso ni Mayor Danggit ni Mayora Vicky. And to all these beautiful young men and women, iti sangguniang kabataan chairman sayo, who are very responsible enough despite their age. Thank you so much for all your sacrifice, for all your hard work in order for this occasion to be an enormous success. Kadagiti committee members po, dagiti kanay nga banbanaw agrigrigat, Sabado, Domingo, Moreno, para ti pamilyada, still they have sacrificed it. Tapno lang kasama papintas iti payayan tayo. Thank you so much kada kayo apo nga members iti daytoy nga committee, headed by of course Mr. Payol Bernardo. Kadagiti proud parents and relatives nga naayat nga nang palubos kadagiti anak da nga adat po ita. Salamat apo ti amin nga support tayo. And to all our lovely and gorgeous candidates, thank you so much for being yourself, for giving yourself. Aguray Sabado kung Domingo, sakripisyo lagta. Aguray na pagpudot, never nga nagre-rida. Salamat sa inyong lahat. And of course, lastly, but most importantly, I would like to thank you kada kayo amin apo nga San Nicolas kada to ita, kada kayo amin apo nga naayat aguray no kasano iti kinaadayo, kasano ti kinarigat yung may piili at da kayo data itatta sumupsuporta iti daytoy nga celebration tayo. Awatan nyo apo ti pinagyaman ni kada kayo amin nang nangruna kini Mayor Danggit apo. Kat kuna nga rod, saan ka nung adres sa isuna nga mangitad, ti pagragsakan, tinawan-tawan, gapuna apo, taamin niya banbanog, dagito'y nataktao na mention ko, kat nabayadanan, napunasanan, because of the enormous attendance tonight. Thank you so much, apo. Let us all sit back and relax. Kat sapay na kuma, we will all have a splendid evening tonight. Thank you so much. May God bless our beloved town San Nicolas. And may God bless everyone who are here tonight. Dur-as sa Nicolas Daras, thank you.